Hey everyone, just doing an audio test with a Samsung Galaxy S20. My JVC camera does pretty good video, but the audio, I don't know, could be better. And I'm just wondering if this camera would be any better. This cell phone, I should say, would be any better for audio. So this is a sample of 38. I have the Altec speakers hooked up, so there's a little bit of subwoofer going on there, some treble and bass, and just doing an audio test here and a sample of what's going on channel 38 today.
Yes. 425 997 Ohio, waving. CQDX, WWS 869, West Virginia Mobile. 997 Ohio, waving.
Let's see what else is on the band here.
Delta Alpha 101, 34 Delta Alpha 101, guys, security FM 590, 27 590, 590.
Now that had a bit of bass in that signal.
This is 3 Sugar Delta 11H. 3 Sugar Delta 11H. Frequency for quantity 27570. 27570.
Okay, so the signals here on triple nickel have a little bit more bass coming out through the subwoofer there for sure. Probably HF radios, amateur radios. Back down to again, this is just an audio sample to see how it sounds compared to the JVC.
No cheese, a little bit of salt.
No salt, no salt. You get the salt. Yeah, right there, the big old train wreck.
Thank you so much, Iowa. Alright, well, Bob, throw a little bit of bacon bits on there and then the salad dressing.
Not signaling audio at all. 204. What you want to do, break his gum? Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada.
I got 3.5 teeth on a room. I ain't got none now.
I think the video looks